We're going to stay in the interface.dwg file. And what we're going to take a look at in this particular video is the infobar function within the AutoCAD interface. Now that's located on the top right corner of your AutoCAD screen. Look for this little box here that says type a keyword or phrase. If you click in there, you can actually type in a keyword, say line, for example. And if you click on the magnifying glass, that will then search all the results in help for any incidents of that word that you've typed in here, such as line. Now, what you can also do is you can expand this and unexpand it, you'll notice as well, which means that you can see a longer file name here in the title bar too, if you need to. Now, the little blue head and shoulders icon there is letting me know that I'm in my Autodesk account. And you have to sign into your Autodesk account to access those online servers that integrate with your desktop software. So AutoCAD is a subscription-based product. You have to be signed into your Autodesk account to confirm to the Autodesk servers that you're obviously got a license for AutoCAD. You've also got the Autodesk App Store. So if you click on this icon here, you can launch the Autodesk App Store website, go and download apps for AutoCAD. Some of these are free, some have a cost implication. And then if we stay connected with the Autodesk online community by clicking the fly out there, we can connect with Autodesk through our Autodesk account. We can check our Autodesk certified hardware. We can jump to AutoCAD on the web. We can go and read the AutoCAD blog. We can watch the YouTube channel, check AutoCAD out on Facebook and Twitter as well, for example. We've also got the help screens here, so I can go straight to AutoCAD help. I can download an offline help file, which gives me the latest version of the help, but I don't need the internet to access it. Great when I'm working on site and I don't have internet access, for example. I can send feedback to Autodesk. I can use the Autodesk AI assistant. I can download Autodesk language packs for AutoCAD, depending on what country I'm in. I can also check out the performance analyzer to check my AutoCAD performance. I can also set my AutoCAD privacy settings. Last but not least, if I look at this one up here, this is the AI assistant, the Autodesk AI assistant. And you can basically click on that and it will open up the AI assistant. You can type in basically search functions to find AutoCAD commands, AutoCAD workflows, processes. You can also raise support queries and talk to people at Autodesk through the Autodesk Assistant as well. Notice there you can type the Assistant Open command when you need help. Just type Assistant Open, press Enter, and that will open up the Autodesk Assistant as well.